Well, this is my very first unboxing, to be followed by my very first review. Just got these cards from Illusionist, and it should be a brick of the Royal Reserve and a free pack of the Black Reserve as well. Just try and do this one-handed. Taking my fingers off. There we go. Okay, as you can see, there indeed is the Royal Reserve. Pick that up, there you go. Luxury playing cards. Not too bad. And there is indeed a brick of playing cards. And just some usual bits and pieces. There we go. So, one brick. No point taking them all out, you know what they are. Royal Reserve luxury playing cards. Very nice. I'll pop a review up on these in a couple of days, hopefully. And that was the black one as well. So, first ever post, bit shabby, plenty to learn on this YouTube stuff. I shall be selling 6 of these to UK collectors on eBay. So if you look on eBay in a couple of days, you'll see them on there. I'm not going to be making a profit on them. I'm a collector, so I'll pass a good saving on to you guys. Just check it out on eBay soon. Speak to you later.